Thanks for joining me today on making this shop-made square. As you can see, I've got other squares in the background, but this one is longer than all of them, and the only one that competes with it is this one right here, and it's got no edge to hook onto any of your lumber, and that's why I wanted to go ahead and make this square. It'll give me the reach that I want, and it'll also hook onto the edge of the wood. So if you like this video, please share it and click on the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.